A lucid dreamer became lucidly aware, and she went up to a dream figure and said, "Do you know I'm dreaming you?" Well, the dream figure looked at the woman and said, "How do you know I'm not dreaming you?" And so this really surprised the lucid dreamer, and then the lucid dreamer thought, well, look, I can fly. And then the dream figure responded, well, look, I can fly too. And so they both kept doing what the other could do until the very end. The lucid dreamer realized that perhaps she wasn't dreaming the dream. Perhaps she wasn't dreaming that dream figure into existence. And so in this way, we realize that the lucid dreamer does not really control the lucid dream. The lucid dreamer directs his or herself within the dreaming, but doesn't control it. The sailor does not control the sea, neither does the lucid dreamer control the dream. What I'm trying to get across by using that analogy is, in a lucid dream, we're actually relating to many things. Just like a sailor has to relate to the wind and the waves, the boat, their own sailing knowledge, and all of that, a lucid dreamer also has to relate to many things. They have to relate to the larger field of the dream. They have to relate to their known and unknown beliefs, their conscious and unconscious beliefs and expectations. They, if they were thoughtful about it, would actually realize that they're relating to a larger field of energy and knowledge, which most of us would call the subconscious mind. So lucid dreaming is not really about control. Instead, a lucid dreamer influences and directs his perception within the dream. Also consider this. When you become lucidly aware in a dream, and for example, you fly through a wall, because you know that wall is composed of dream stuff, and on the other side of the wall, maybe you see a castle and a white horse. Who created that castle? Who created that white horse? You can see that you yourself did not create it, so obviously there's subconscious creations that are going along even in the lucid dream. That's why I say that the lucid dreamer does not control the lucid dream. The lucid dreamer influences and directs his or her perception.